the house is still new, guys. Yes, this is the key, so we're going to check the house, guys. What's up, my beautiful family? It's your boy Roland Travel, content creator in Africa. In today's video, guys, want to take a tour around this 2-bedroom apartment in Barala City, land of milk and honey. Kindly, if it's your first time to watch my videos, don't forget to click on the bell button. You'll be notified when we upload a new video. This house, they are for rent, guys. Let us take a tour inside. I'm going to show you how everything looks like. I think you have just seen the price on the title, guys. Come on. This is a brand new empty house. Let us enter inside. I'm going to show you how this house looks like, guys. This is the sitting room. As you can see, guys, it's very big and beautiful. And this is the first biggest master bedroom, guys. Let me know what you think about this master bedroom. This house is still new and is empty, guys. And this is the last bedroom, guys, in this house. This is the last bedroom. As you can see, also it's very big and beautiful, guys. Let me know also what you think about this bedroom, guys. Thank you so much for clicking. Thank you so much. Kindly, if it's your first time to watch my videos, don't forget to click on the bell button, guys. I really appreciate your support. This house is for rent. If you need a house for rent, guys, let me know in the comment section. I appreciate so much, guys. Thank you so much for clicking. And this is the kitchen. Let us take a tour in this kitchen. I'm going to show you how it looks like, guys. Guys, this is how outside looks like, guys. And around there is hotel, that's Kursi Hotel. That's Kursi Hotel. And down there you have the view of the city. That's the city down there, guys. you have good, they have good roads. This is a new road, guys. As you can see how it looks like. Also, it's very beautiful. This is how everything looks like, guys, on this side.